My Heart Union's message to everybody at Ryanair is congratulations. I don't think we believed we'd see a day where we can feel so proud of the achievements of Unite members in Ryanair. It's such a hard time in aviation right now. It's such a hard time for trade unions right now, but we're seeing the green shoots of growth. We're seeing possibilities of success and we're seeing achievements. And I think that's something that everybody should be congratulated for. But that's only achieved and can only be done by trade union members coming together. That's why Heart Unions is such an important week, and that's why it's so important what's going on here.